I was very, very, very struggling. So as girls, you can have conversation, sakhuluma nje. And then, wasengitexta kulilanga offerisha ukuthi can we go to Chicky Tigers yabo. Wajika ubengitshela ukuthi I made 3K per day. Yo, I was like imali yonke le, yabo. Ngahamba ke mangithi ngiyangena. Yo, isiphithiphithi kugcwele. Abanye bahamba ngama-G-string yabona, abanye bagqoke ama-bra nama-heel. Exchange indoda like makuphume ngene yabo most labantu laba badayisa nga-R100 from R100 i-round and then bangabufuna i-style maybe dog style 250 yabona.
Oh man.
Imali we-add according to maybe uma ungabe wenza i-raw or like and liyavele i-room eli-1 namantombazana maybe ayi-3 la exchangeana omunye makathola omunye umuntu ngizomela phandle i-room eli-1 cabanga.
Oh.
Rolling in 3, 2, 1 and action.
Sanibonani dumelang everybody. Welcome back again to another banging episode. Heat after heat after heat. Let's go like, share, subscribe and comment down below. Also hit the notification bell below. And join us with the podcast. How we roll. Yes guys, without any further ado, get here also more curvaceous. Because what's for safety high but first I get jajana. Let's judge simple mal. Let's judge about okay, guys, we're gonna dubbing. Hello, chum.
What's up?
Yes, up. Let's not have my friend. Okay, guys, I want to introduce your real name.
I'm not
but
gonna
just give
mention
us
my name.
a summary of who you are.
So what happened is I was working like in marketing, race nabanye abantu nje like just a room ne. Maybe uthola ukuthi sihlala si-8 one room.
Okay.
A situation be bad by that time. I don't wanna lie. Like even stuff besikheka ngaso bekunzima nje everything wabo. So I was just scrolling by one day with TikTok. Mangithola le video le kunabanye abantu abasiza ngalezi zinto ukuthi if you wanna become rich, mangabe ufuna imali yabo. So lento bengistress because I was very, very, very struggling in marketing. I hope you understand. Mavuke ekseni. Like and uhola nge-commission yabona, you don't get paid like per month, you only get like a commission. So what happened is I had to go Google ne, Google because how can I make money without doing any human sacrifices. Mangithole enye number but urgently mangimthola la Google ne, ngamtext ngambuza ukuthi how do I join this thing like yenziwa kanjani ne. So guy what's okay, there is option 1 if you want like to join, there is a joining fee. Wakoko 1.5 like the joining fee, you have to pay me 1.5 for registration. Makuthi kunjalo ke ngayithola ke ngahlanganisa le imali ke le ngahlanganisa nale imali le beyifunakala 1.5 ngamtshela ukuthi okay ngiyitholile imali wase yabuya kimi wathini okwesi2 mangabe ufuna initiation is gonna be like 2.5 ne. Okay, so since we're not really like uyakhuluma ukuthi situation yakho ibad, I'm just gonna help you with 1.5 le. Le 1.5 le registration you're not gonna pay ne. So you're gonna have to sleep with me so that I can help you. Ngizokubhadalela wena ke. Okay, that is okay, it's fine because I was very desperate. It's fine, I can do it. Wabona wabuya wazongipick up sahamba lodge. Sayenza izinto and then I gave him the money. Leyo mali leyo mangifika endlini wangisendele enye i-PDF. It was an application bobhalile ukuthi uyakhuluma igama lakho, usenda igama lakho, surname and family nokuthi uhlala kuphi yabo. Yeah, ngasayina i-registration and bekunenye phone number yase America obengitexta ngayo athi iyo i-load leyo like angithi bathi kune-load something like that. Leyo number beyiba offline like engini during the day ne, and then ebusuku ibe online because ngitshela ukuthi by that side ngase America is not the same like mangabe kusemini la ngale kusebusuku yabo. So mangitexta leya number wangi-introducer wathi ngisi-introduce ngisenda iy'thombe zami everything like izinto ezinjalo ngamsendela iy'thombe zami. Okay, wasesithini i-agent yakho izobuya izokulanda tomorrow izoyenjani nizoya e-temple noyenza i-initiation ceremony yabo. Makathi ukhaya uyabuya sahamba wahamba wathenga ubhiya, I don't know i-Castle Light something eyi-green angazi amabhiya abantu abangobava yabo. Wahamba wayayithenga leyo what is part of like i-initiation yakho and then kuzomela ukuthi ngithathe kuphi e-river like uyo-cleansa yabona so that izinto zakho zivuleke kahle kuzomela uqala ucleanse yabona. wangisa kwenye indawo engayazi, it was in Albertine. Angiyazi leya ndawo but like ngathi kuyisifula nje kunamanzi yabo. Wangitshela ukuthi angihlambe lapho, mangiqeda ukuhlamba ngikhulume yonke into engifuna ukuthi yenzeke, like inhlanhla ngivula izinto zami yabona. Ngageza kulawo manzi, mangiqeda lapho wathi ngabheka emuva. Masiqeda lapha siyahamba, wathi Rami makathenge lamabhiya la, masithi siyafika eroomini. Leyo ndawo besifikela kuyo bengitshela ukuthi yena akahlali khona, it's just the place la osizela khona abantu. Yena uhlala kwenye indawo. It was just a one room. I think loyo muntu wangibrainwasha for ukuthi angiscam yabo. Waqeda thatha lamabhiya la, athi ngihlambe ngawo. Khuluma ukuthi ngifuna abantu bangithande njengebhiya. I was like, bengisense ukuthi no man, how can abantu bangikuthanda kanjani njengebhiya overs instead of like ngizoba nesidina yabona.
Njengebhiya. Amajida ayethanda ibhiya. Ukuthi kunjani?
Wathi wonke umuntu uzokuthanda njengebhiya, but hayi, is it possible abantu bakuthanda njengebhiya uzoba nesidina? Mara uzoba nesidina. Ngeke ibhiya edakana yo. Ngageza ngayo makaqeda ukuthi ngahleki mangiqeda ukugeza ngayo wanginikeza elinye ibox nalo elincane. Ibox lakhona athi kune-ring la, i-ring yakhona ngizomele ngihlale nayo 7 days ngavula ibox yabo. Bazobe bangi-check-a i-trust yami ukuthi ngiyathembakala and ngi-honest for kuleyo industry, ngizoqualifya na yabo. Ngayigcina leli box in 7 days. Makufika 7 days, yafika i-7 days, ngiyambuza ukuthi awufa, what's the next step, like kuzomele ngiyivule nini le box le. Athi ngizokutshela ukuthi uyivule, the reason why like ungakayivuli kwamanje izinto zakho azikaphumeleli, we still trusting you, like saku-check ukuthi uyathembakala or awuthembakali yabo. Kuhlala isikhathi umuza athi when are you getting paid, uhola nini? Kuzomela ukuthi uthole ama-coins yabona, like sibuyele futhi e-river uyocleansa again yabo. Hayi ngisense ukuthi no man kunento wrong la. I had to open le box. Mangithi ngiyavula ibox, ngithola kunalento yesicathulo le abayifaka esicathulo mazinje ingathi isalt like yabona ebhale do not eat. Lapho olalo ngisele ukuthi i-ring mangithi ngiyayishekha so awona nix yabo. Nga realize from there ngangithi ngicela ngiyivula ibox. Jesus. Ngithola how yini le manje ngathi isol-check. Hayi bekathi i-ring but
utesta i-trust ukuthi wena uyathembakala na. And then what happened after that?
Hayi ngakwata ngamtext ngitshela ukuthi hayibo ngivulile le box le akuna ring, wayengiskemile. Wangiphendula into ebengisithatha ukuthi ungiskemi kuku, wangiskemi imali yami.
Chomeni kuku ena refund. Yo bafana. Okay, asingene ku detail yale lento oqeda ukungithe. Le initiation, what initiation was it?
Like something like ukuthiwa bekathi Illuminati, no, or Illuminati or is Satanism, no human blood involved, like no side effects. You're just gonna have to like sacrifice life yakho ukuthi kuzomele kube nezinto ozostop ukuziyenza yabo. Maybe uthole ukuthi uthanda ukuphuza or uthanda ukugroova, kuzomele ukuthi life yakho uyichange yabo. Yeah.
Hey wakubamba.
Mangithi ngiyamfonela kabambi and he's nonchalant, like akanandaba. Ngiyambuza ngiyamthuka vele kangiphenduli kanandaba. Yo ngaba ne-stress kanjani for imali yami yabo. Yo ikho ke, and then after when time goes uNosipho imaginary this year yabo. Sisoqala ke yindaba kaNosipho. So okay.
Nosipho is the lady onahlile are her sister poisoned her.
Usisi wami bekahlala ekhaya and then she moved home because bekane conflict nomama. I was staying with my boyfriend. She's actually rude. Wow, uyawazi ama-2K ukuthi kanjani. But then isikhathi masilokhu siya ngokuya angishintshele usister wami. Athanda ukwenza ama-jokes wakhe. Athi yo wena umnyama yabona kanti hayi wena ungathenga izinto zokugcobisa nawe bemuhle uzinakekele and stuff yabona. Ngimtshela ngithi no, I think i-pregnancy engenza so isikhathi masilokhu siya ngokuya ngizoba right nami yabona. And then ifika i-date yokuthi ngiyodeliver vele udoctor bekasho ukuthi uzothola umntana nge-26 August.
And then she lost her baby. That's the one, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
She's the one.
So this is like a follow-up, guys. Just keep up with the
So I was in
Kardashians.
Kempton Park buying my chips. She was also there by the queue. I think like line very slow, yeah. So as girls, you can have conversation, sakhuluma nje. Then we ended up having to exchange our phone numbers because bangibuza ukuthi ngihlala kuphi, bamtshela ukuthi ngihlala eKlipanteni abantu abasekhaya, but yeah, I'm planning to move out yabo. Naye wathi uhlala ne-boyfriend. I-boyfriend yakhe is the owner of Ichiki Tigers. Okay. Sa-exchange ama-phone number cause eyami ifoni beyicimile uyena wathatha ama-number wami. A week later waseyangithexta-ke wangitshela ukuthi ileya ntombazane. Sakhuluma sakhontinua saqhubeka sikhuluma and then like lapho besingakahlangani ngamtexta nje ngambuza ukuthi yini oyisebenzisayo like iskin sakho sinhle yabo. Waseyangiplug wangitshela ukuthi kunomuntu ozithengisayo lezi zinto eSoweto yabo. Mangabe ngiyasifuna I can come or she can bring for me bese ngiyamupha imali yabo. And then wasengitexta kulilanga wang-offerisha ukuthi can we go to Chiki Tigers yabo. What you can pay if 1 rand. I was like, no, Chom, yo, that place, I'm not gonna be comfortable because angiyijwayelanga yabona and ngiyasaba ukuhlangana nabanye abantu. Maybe you can meet your family or your relatives, something like i-family or nje abomakhelwane yabo. But it's fine, don't worry, not gonna meet anyone omaziyo lapho. Yeah, ngamiyeka ngangahambi nayo by that week wahamba yena. Wajika ubengitshela ukuthi I made 3K per day. Yo, I was like, imali yonke le yabo. Wang-offerisha again the other following week wathi we can go, you can come yabona. Ngamtshela ukuthi no, imali yami iyashoda yabona ngoba manje ngina 300 rand yabo. So athini it was 400 rand ungena like entrance ungena lapho, but it's fine, I'm gonna borrow you 100 rand bese uyangena yabo. Okay, kwaba njalo ke yena wahamba ekuseni ngo-11 AM. Mina ngahamba ngabo 8 later on ebusuku yabo because vele mina ngiyayithanda i-private lezi zinto zokuthi ngibonakala ngenza ezinye izinto kimi yabo. Yeah. Ngahamba lapha ebusuku bangithi ngiyangena ngabhadala leyo 400 rand because ngacina ngiboleke from someone i-100 rand angisathathanga kuye yabo. Ngahamba-ke mangithi ngiyangena yo isiphithiphithi kugcwele abanye bahamba ngama-G-string yabona abanye bagcoke ama-bra namahili. Omunye uyambona uyangena manje uyaphuma uyaphansi udobho omunye like exchange indoda like makuphuma enye ngene yabo into ezinjalo like yo bengekho comfortable, it was so bad yabo. Yo bekugcwele shem bekugcwele abantu abaningi yabona and enye into eyangenza ngangabi comfortable yikuthini bathi kunale ngoma le eka-Beyonce le ngiyangazi ukuthi ithini le ngoma yakhona. Mawukhala le ngoma le akumelanga ukuthi ume nje kuzomela ukuthi ujayive uthweke yabona. Yo mina ngikhona ukutweka shem.
Ilokhuze emnandi kanje. Hawu.
I wasn't so comfortable. And naleyo mali angisayiyenzanga leyo 4K bekangitshela ngayo because most labantu laba badayisa nga-100 rand yabo. From 100 rand i-round and then bangabe ufuna i-style maybe dog style 250 yabona.
Bandla.
Imali uyi-add according to maybe uma ungabe wenza i-raw or like if uguy athe ufuna i-different style ke ilana ongathola khona imali eningi. So it was so bad for me. I felt so bad because bengikhokhe 400 rand. Yo angizange ngayenza imali mina lapho yabona.
Bengekho indawo yakho.
Okokuqala nje like abantu bakhona situation leyani indawo ngeke shem ayijwayelekanga yabona maybe ufuna masuyijwayele.
Okay, and then kwenzakalani ngibhadele nini ugeli since ukuboleka 100?
100 rand angisabolekanga ugeli ngomunye lo wena engiboleke kuyimali nothi uNosipho. Ngithi ngithe uNosipho akasangiphanga ngaqina ngaboleka kusamayo. So ngaqina ngathola abantu abayi-2 like bafuna istyle nje yabo. Ngayenza same amount le ngene ngayo cabanga.
So wenza 400 for that night. You only got 2
actually
people.
ngayenza 500 rand because yabo
250.
Like lo muntu bekathi ufuna
And it was
style.
only 2
Otherwise
people.
mangabe uthe kuze oyi-1 wathi ufuna normal style 100 rand. Bengizoba nemali 200 rand bengizothola ama-client amangaki for ukuthi ngi-replace leyo mali futhi engize ngayo yabo.
Yo.
Yeah.
And then mase uthola uguy, what happened?
No guy engamtholayo.
Angithole abantu abantu.
Lo ayisangena sonke like bawungena uyakhokha 10 rand yokuthi ungene eroomini nawe and liyabe lishare iroom eli-1 namantombazana maybe ayi-3. La exchangeana omunye makathola omunye umuntu uzomela phandle iroom eli-1 cabanga. And lapha akukho clean kungcolile and akukho clean shem. Akuna nama-bathroom ukuthi mawuceda ukwenza le nto uzahamba uyogeza. Yo it was so bad shem. Anzange ngabuyela futhi again back there.
Okay, and then naphelela phi noNosipho?
uNosipho yena I think wathola omunye umuntu ukuthi asuke naye i-night like out like out of the place maybe to his own house yabo. wasuka wangishiya lapho-ke yikho la engasola ngathola abantu abayi-2. I had to ask my friend ukuthi angirequestele ngizomreplace imali yakhe yabo, wa-requesta back to home. And then the following week la wangiskema khona ngamtexta ngathi senginayo imali, okay singahlangana kanjani for ukuthi ngithole lama-creams. Since bengimthemba vele ngizitshela ukuthi ngithole umngani, but she had to scam me. Waza eKempton Park bekathe ama-creams like i-400 and then i-scrub si-300. So I'm gonna have to pay again i-100 for i-delivery ukuthi angilethele izinto ne-transport yabona. Because bekangitshela ukuthi lo muntu omdayiselayo u-pregnant, so she's the one who's in charge omsiza. Kanti makathi umuntu u-pregnant ukhuluma ngosisi wakhe
Ngalo sisi lo. Oh my God.
Angiskema ngoba le phone number wangisendela yona ngitshela ukuthi yiyo leyo muntu odayisa ama-creams. Bekasenda inamba kasisi wakhe. Angitexta ngenamba kasisi wakhe behind her back. Usisi wakhe akazi next. Makathi angitexta khuluma qeda uyangiblocka ngale. Ingqondo yami yafika kwelinye ilanga ngathini? No man, there's something off. Lo muntu uthe lo muntu usisi wakhe pregnant and nalo udayisa wafuthi pregnant. Why ngingaboni profile? Mangisi ngiyangena kwenye WhatsApp nginama WhatsApp ayi-2. Ngithola i-profile picture usisi wakhe. Hawu ngiyamtexta ngithi niyangiskema nina, ngamthuka sathukana yabona. Because na beka state maybe umunye umuntu ojola ne-boyfriend yakhe yabona. Oseyamthuka nje. Ngoba mayichecka ngale ku-WhatsApp uthola inamba yami iblockiwe. Because sathukana kabuhlungu ngendlela ebad kabi. Ngitshela ukuthi ngifuna imali yami engiskema yona. It was 800 rand all mangithi nge-account. UNosipho ngiyamtexta ngiyambuza ukuthi why unginikezela ama-creams akhe angasebenziyo and this is sugar. Bekafaka ishukela ne-turmeric for ukuthi athi i-scrub uyabona i-scrub sakhona. Mangithi ngiyamthuka wavela wangiblocka same time akazange wa-explain anything. Ngiyambuza kahle ukuthi why ungiskemile if befuna imali wangakhulumanga ke. Wangiblocka same time. Ngale mina ngilokhu ngibusy ngithukana nosisi wakhe. Sisi wakhe akazi next. I had to go inbox like ku Facebook. Ngathola indoda kaNomthandazo, uNomthandazo lo sisi wakhe. Ngase ngiyamtshela ukuthi umuntu wakungiskemile nomntana sekiwe. Wathi into enjalo akayazi, ithini nginjani ngiku-WhatsApp, isini number yakhe ye-WhatsApp injani ngikutext. Makathi uyabheka le yikho la uthola khona ukuthi ngiblockiwe mina. Basethi yena akazi anything. So on the very same day azodeliver ama-lotions like we're having a conversation. Angitshela ukuthi eSoweto kunezinto eziningi ezidayiswayo like ama-frontali, ama-wig, ama-scam off. By that time passport yami bengekho sharp ne. Angitshela ukuthi oh no, i-passport yami ayikho sharp and idudula beyi-too much by that time yabona. So everywhere mawugibela i-taxi bayehlisa abantu yabona. Angitshela ukuthi angeke ngikwazi ukuza lapho eJozi. So wasesithi umngane wami ushonile, how about kanjani ngikunikeze i-ID yakhe ngikudayisele yena i-ID yomngane wami. Like it was 5 days ago umngane wakhe ashonile. I don't know ukuthi ubulawe yini or ube ne-accident, car accident. So bekaplan ukungidayisela i-ID yomuntu oshonile ngathi no, I can't do that. Angeke ngikwazi ukuthenga i-ID yomuntu oshonile. How about at least mangabe if bengabe kuyi-fake mara nesithombe sami ngaba ngcono in that way, but even though it's too risky yabo. Wasesithini don't worry ngizokufarisha kunobhuti wami oyenza ama-ID ubrother wakhe. Asho ubrother wakhe wenza ama-ID we-fake but uyawadayisa nge-2,000 rand. But at least better than ukuthi ngisebenzise i-ID yomunye umuntu oshonile. Maybe ungayenza naleyo. So waseyangitexta-ke tomorrow athi are you still gonna buy the ID? Ngathi no, angeke ngikwazi ukuthenga i-ID yomuntu oshonile. Because bekafuna ungidayisela i-ID yomngane wakhe oshonile washonayo. Befuna ukuthi 2,000 rand. Ngathi yo hayi ngeke ngikwazi shem. Lapho umuntu wakhona ushonile. Ngiyambuza ukuthi kuzoba kanjani nalo muntu eshonile. Wathi no, she was even using someone's ID, it's not the original ID yabo. Yikho ke yaphela lapho indaba ye-ID ngase ngithi ngeke ngikwazi ukuyithenga mina.
No? Okay, so after that kwenzakalani? After leyo drama leyo yase Chicky Tiger.
Ubethe uzongifona, wayethe uzongifonela mangabe uNosipho uyeza this side.
Awukazi ukubuyele wena.
Hayi angikaze ngabuyela. Angazi Chicky Tiger rather go eklabini. Yo, hayi angeke ngabuyela shem. Soze.
Okay, so what lesson have you learned from this whole experience? Yeah, shake.
Angazi ukuthi ngithini, but this boy Chicky Tigers that's a no. Yeah, I will never go there. Noma bathi ngidesperate kanje noma bathi ngingena for free. Hayi. Soze.
Yeah. 400. Yeah,
400 again, like maybe for good bakunikeza i-room mangabe uthola ama-hookup in.
Okay, it makes sense. Okay, makes sense. Yo, Chomi.
And nizobe nishare room eyi-1 li-3
So, one room
njani
yi-1, point
ugelo yi-1 makathole i-client uyangena uma ngabe nawe uyathola uyabuya umthole phakathi you have to wait akuna-bathroom like ukuthi uzoqeda uma uqeda uzogeza
And you use a condom, of course.
yeah abanye
And then how
I'm
do you
sure
feel
abanye
sleeping with a
bayenza
stranger?
i-raw mina shem ngithanda ukucleansa after every sex no matter what noma ubani like most of the times ngithanda ukucleansa
Yeah, cleanse.
yeah
Mara ungathukanga ungafeel somehow.
bengithola omunye umfana nje ubeka-right nje like I can't say ube umuntu obad beyikhaladi be-right so he was clean and then omunye nje bewubaba nomkhaba yo hayi akanomkhaba he had to ask for my phone number angitexta sengisendlini ngamtshela ukuthi heyi wena ngidayisi ngomzimba e-Chicky Tigers athi imalini ma outside ngizokupha malini ngathi hhayi ngeke soze nje bengihambe once bengi-invite-iwe sangaphinda ngabuyela ngambloga naloyo muntu because bekafuna ukungibiza again for another service outside
Okay, so right now, what do you do?
manje ngiyahosta eklabhini letha amantombazane eklabhini yabo that's how I get money. I'm also even selling clothes
Okay.
yeah
Okay. Hey, Konje, you don't want to identify yourself. Ah, nekiri ki overjoy so
and
road college ba?
angina-advice because nami nje ngisafuna ama-advice yabo anginayi-advice
Awunayo i-advice Chum? Awawar. Sizokhula sonke. Siyabona la emhlabeni. Yeah. Hayi mara bakuskemile. Mara lo girl lo usile lo.
and uphoyise msisi wakhe
Cabanga.
cabanga yo walala naye same day like e-funeral
Okay, silikutletse. Yo mo South Africa. Ngithatha go batla di-quick fast money. Di na le di-quick fast regret. Again, this is Ragale Juiz. Don't forget to comment down below, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and like. I love y'all. Peace out.